Hey everyone! Today, we're breaking down three major players in the world of computer-aided design: Librecad, Autocad, and Revit. We've tested them all, and here's what you need to know to pick the right one for your workflow. Let's start with the basics. Librecad is open source and built for 2D drafting. Autocad is a professional standard for 2D and 3D CAD work. Revit focuses on building information modeling or BIM, ideal for architects and engineers working on complex structures. Librecad is great for simple, quick 2D designs, especially if you're working on Linux or need a free alternative. AutoCAD offers precise drafting tools, 3D modeling, and a familiar interface used in many industries. Revit is a whole different beast, perfect for designing entire buildings with intelligent components and in detailed collaborations. Librecad, free, lightweight but limited to 2D. AutoCAD, powerful, industry standard but expensive. And Revit, BIM driven, best for large architectural or engineering projects with a steeper learning curve. So, which one is the ultimate CAD software? That depends on your needs. For basic 2D drafting, Librecad. For professional designing and engineering, AutoCAD. For collaborative intelligent building design, Revit takes the crown. What CAD software do you use and why? Let us know in the comments, and as always, like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more real-world tech reviews and comparisons. This has been How to Literally, where we keep things smart and simple and scam-free.